Hi, I'm Jimmy, Experiential Learning Lead at the Skokie Public Library, and today I'll be showing you how to create a DIY personal journal from recycled or upcycled items you may find in your home. For this example, I am using fresh paper from one of my old school notebooks, string, and an old tea shop box. You can also use recycled paper if you have any. Instead of string, yarn or ribbon can be a good substitute, and for your cover, any thicker cardstock-like material will work well. First, I took my unused paper out of its original notebook. Then, I cut out an equally sized rectangle from the tea shop box. I then folded both the paper and cardboard rectangle in half. Next, I made a slight cut at the top and bottom of the folds for both the paper and cardboard rectangle. I then placed the paper within the cardboard rectangle. Next, I took the string I have and cut about 10 to 12 inches. You can then wrap the string around the spine of the journal, make sure that it falls in between the little cuts you made earlier, and tie a knot. You can also trim the string and use it as a bookmark or save it for other projects. At this point, you have a functioning journal. And here is where you can really get creative. You can decorate the cover of your journal in any way you want. Paint, stickers, stamps, drawings, it is completely up to you. For my booklet, I put a monogram sticker in the bottom right-hand corner, and on the top, I pasted a painting that a friend of mine, who was a local Skokie artist, created. If you do create your own DIY journal and would like to share it on social media, please consider tagging the library at Skokie Library. What will you learn today?